Hello, Aspirants. I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from Incor IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 17th March current affairs. This topic taken from the Delhi editorial. The topic is insurance-driven healthcare to equity. This topic comes under our GS2 issues relating to development and management of social sector services relating to health. In this topic, we are going to cover first of all what is the universal health coverage, what are the core components of the universal health coverage, and what are the key strategies that is achieving a universal health coverage, that strengthening the primary health care, that expanding the financial protections, and also improving the infrastructure, workforce development, policy and governance, and what are the India's progress towards the universal healthcare and role of technology in universal health coverage, and what are the importance of the universal health coverage, and what are the challenge behind that, and what are the future of the universal health coverage. So the detailed view of the insurance driven healthcare equity. First of all, why it is in the news? That is a government that must invest in preventive community based on care that are accessible to all. For the as a world largest democracy, India has long been committed to health and to all under the World Health Organization, that is a universal health coverage framework. First of all, what is that universal health coverage? That is a universal health coverage is a fundamental, that is a global health, that ensuring all the individual communities to receive the health services they need to without suffering the financial hardship. That is a promoter of the World Health Organization, that is embarked by many countries. That is a universal health coverage is a critical pillar to achieving the sustainable development and also improve the global health equity. First of all, there is a healthcare accessible, that is the including of preventive, curative, and also rehabilitative, and also that is a palliative, that is care across all population, that is a financial protection and guaranteed, that is a impoverishment due to the healthcare cost. Equity is prioritized, that everyone, that especially marginalized and vulnerable groups, so they need to access the healthcare services, so the we need to provide the equity that should be prioritized. That is a core concepts of the universal healthcare. First of all, access to essential services like maternal and child health care, vaccination, mental health services, treatment for the non-communicable disease like NCDs, and also infectious diseases. Services should be geographically and also culturally accessible. There is a quality of care. There is a care is required, that their services must meet the established standard to ensure the effectiveness of the safety, and also there is a financial risk protection. There is a mechanism of like health insurance or government funded programs reduce the out of pocket expenses for ensure the affordability. That is the main core concept of the universal healthcare. That is a key strategy for achieving the universal health coverage. First of all, we need to strengthen the primary healthcare. That is, a primary healthcare should be backbone of the health system, that delivering the essential services and referrals. That is the expanding of the financial protection. That is, a government must increase the public health expenditure and implement the health insurance schemes like Ayushman Bharat in India, improving the infrastructure. That is one of the criteria to invest the health facilities, digital health technologies, and also supply chain crucial. There's a workforce development, that is a training and recruiting the healthcare professionals, particularly in the underserved areas, is essential. There is a polity and governance, that is a transparent policy and accountability mechanism that ensures the effective implementation and also the public trust. There is a India's progress towards the universal healthcare. First of all, India Ayushman Bharat program, that is a program compromised by Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, that health and wellness centers that covers 50 crore beneficiaries for the secondary and also tertiary healthcare services. And also there is a public health initiative, that is a national health mission that focus on the maternal child health, disease control, and also strengthening the rural and urban health system. There is a many challenges despite the program, that gaps remains of financing a quality of care and also equitable access, and also remote areas is a main constraint. That is there is a many challenge behind that, but there is a role of technology in the universal healthcare. First of all, telemedicine is one of the thing that is remote areas overcoming geographic barriers. So it provides the healthcare to remote areas also, and also there is a digital health records to improve the efficiency and also coordination of the caring, and also health information system that supports a data driven policy decision and also monitoring. There is the importance of the universal health coverage. First of all, we must know what is the importance. There is a equity, that's reduce the disparities of the healthcare access between the different socio-economic groups. It promotes the social inclusions and also social justice. And also there is a economic benefits. There is a healthy population. There can be a contribute to productively and also economic growth that reduces the economic burden of the disease through the preventive care, and also global health security that strengthen the health system to battle against the pandemics, and also better management in the pandemics and other public health emergencies, and also alignment with the sustainable development goals where which need to directly contribute to SDG. So that is sustainable development goal that ensure the healthy life and also the promote the well-being for all the age. And but in all this scenario we have the challenges, that is funding is the main problem. There is a financial constraint funding or the main constraint in this area. There is a many low and middle income countries struggle to allocate the sufficient resources for the healthcare system. And healthcare workforce shortages also it's rare. There is a lack of trained healthcare professionals hampers the service delivery, and also inequality in access. There is a geographical barriers, social determinants of the health disproportionality affects the rural and also marginalized communities. There's a weak health system, that poor infrastructure. There is a lack of medical supplies and inefficient system that definitely hinder the universal health coverage, and also rising disease burden. Recent days there is a non-communicable diseases, aging populations, or emerging infectious increases that demand the healthcare services. So these are the major hindrance of challenges. We need to achieve the universal healthcare. We need to overcome all these challenges. So first of all, when we have some future of universal health coverage, that is increased global collaboration is required, because we need to partnership between the countries, NGOs, international organizations. We will accelerate our progress and also focus on the preventive care. So preventive is better than cure, that prevents the disease from the public health campaigns, and also lifestyle changes will reduce the healthcare cost. And also there is a innovative financing model. There is a model that new appropriate like a public private partnership will ensure the sustainable funding, and also community involvement. It engages local populations. That definitely health initiatives foster the ownership and also success. There's a conclusion that universal health coverage is not just a healthcare goal, it's a social contract ensuring the health equity and financial protection for all. While significant progress has been made globally, challenges remain particularly in low and middle income countries. By investing the health system, that is adopting the innovative technologies and promoting policies, and also focused on inclusivity, sustainability, nations can move closer to ensuring the universal healthcare that can be a backbone of the global health security and equity. So universal health coverage is a promise to leave no one behind. That. Thank you so much.